100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. It's the real deal.
Hi, this is Aaron Melchevsky in Kelowna, BC, Canada. And yes, I'm still driving my 1988 Buick LeSabre Limited. I want to tell you guys about an amazing experience I had with snake oil. That product saved me money. It only cost me $29, and here's the amazing story. Before putting snake oil in, my car was excessively smoking. We're talking about billows of blue smoke and people racing to get past me on the highway on the inside lane. This was a bad situation that I was in. So I had a mechanic come by and look at the car. He told me that I probably needed a head gasket or I had low compression, and that was going to be an expensive job. So instead, I put snake oil in my crankcase, and I noticed immediately afterwards that my car was running smoother and running quieter. It had a little more power. I could even chirp my tires at a stoplight, and that was fun. But unfortunately, the car continued to smoke. And I had to ask myself, was snake oil the real deal? Did it work as well as claimed? Well, 3 weeks later, I was coming home from work, and I looked out my back window, and I said, where's the smoke? I couldn't see the smoke anymore. So what happened? Well, snake oil had continued to work over 3 weeks, and gradually the smoke had gone away. And that is just amazing. I am so happy. This product saved my car from the crusher and saved me major money on engine repairs. It can do the same thing for your car too. It's cost effective. Thank you, Ron Hatton, for 100% pure snake oil. Yes, 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 it's the real deal. Just say yes.
Order yours today at snakeoil.wtf. You'll be glad you did.